Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today what we are going to make is a colorful giraffe. Giraffes are usually brown and yellow, but Tanu Auntie's giraffe is also colorful. I said na, an artist can make anything colorful. I'm using a direct marker because it will hardly make any difference. It's an easy drawing. So you have to make two undos like that, not complete undos. Then you have to stretch and make lollipops. Okay, so you make two lollipops, then you go in for a U. So this is the U which you are making. After you make the U, what you do is you slide down. SL world. You slide down like you are in an SL world. Now you can go directly down here and then here. Okay, so it is this shape. So first we made the two lollipops, we made a U and we came down. Now what you are going to make is a 3 sotawa. A sotawa 3. Usually we write 3 like that, but our 3 is sleeping. And what we are going to do is take it down. Okay. Now from here again we will make one more for the lip part. Now what we are going to do is make two nostrils. Okay. So these two nostrils are done. After making these two nostrils, what we do is one line from here straight down and one line from here straight down till the end of your book. Okay. Now from here and from here, what we are going to do is just roam about la 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 la. Okay, so we are roaming and we have come to the end. Now what we are going to do is from here we are going to take one sap here, one sap here. Understood, kiddos? After doing this, what we are going to make the eye. So we will start from here, we'll take a turn and come out. You remember what we did for the Rajasthani painting? Similarly, we're going to make big and beautiful eyes for our giraffe. Similarly, from here we will come here, we'll take a turn and go out. Just see to that they are of the same size. अगर थोड़ा 19-20 हुआ तो भी चलता है because it's ultimately a giraffe. After that what we do is make the eyeballs. Okay, now these are the eyeballs, and inside this we are going to make a Nargundu and a Nargundu. Now he's looking there. Haha, कौन आया मेरे को देखने? ना, he's looking that side. So this is his eyeball, and just below his eyeball, okay, we'll shade it and you will come to know. And then one line here and one line here. Now after we make this, we'll make one line this side, one line this side, and we are going to make we'll divide this into two, and here we are going to make a branch of a tree. Okay, a little different. So this is the face. Very simple. No chick. You just have to know where your lines are supposed to come, and it will turn out to be such a beautiful drawing, children. Now we have the ears. So a leaf shaped here, and homophones, a leaf shaped here. Na? So you have your two ears. Now when we are making the chakatta's ear, you have to be very careful that the middle line should be very small. So what we do is we make one here, then we make one here, we make one here. For me it is 3 which are fitting and a small one. It depends upon the size of your book. So the only care you have to take that this part should be as small as possible. Okay, because we want to make these colorful. See, ये जो बीच का रास्ता है ना, वो छोटा, जितना छोटा हो सके उतना छोटा करने की कोशिश करना. नहीं भी हुआ तो कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं हुआ है. Your giraffe is still ready. Now what? There are many ways you can put flower in the mouth of the giraffe, or if you want, we can do it a little halfy saffy. So what I'll do, there's a leaf coming from here, it's falling here. So this is one leaf here. Then we shall make one more leaf here, coming here and falling here. Okay, now this behind part will also be a leaf. So this leaf here, coming here, here, and then going behind. Okay, so now there will be one leaf which is coming here and it's overlapping. So we have made many leaves this side. It's coming here. अभी छोटा सा. Now when you are coloring, children, be careful. कान भी लीफ की तरह है तो लीफ भी लीफ की तरह. गड़बड़ घोटाला करायचं नाही. Okay, you have to do it very carefully. Now this is also one leaf, and this side I'm just going to make few waves. Now I'll have to be careful. अभी मेरे को सब झिंगाट झिंगाट दिख रहा है, तो अभी मेरे को ही नहीं पता चलेगा मैंने क्या किया. Our drawing is ready, children, and we will quickly start with the coloring part. Now for the coloring part, what we are going to do is first take our gande wala brown color outside. I was not prepared with my colors, just give me okay, I'm using my brown color, plain brown color, and the gaps over here, can you see these gaps? I'm just coloring them brown. Very carefully color them brown. That is why I said keep very less place for the brown. सिर्फ थोड़ा सा रास्ता रखने का, बाकी सब ये बिल्डिंग खड़ी कर देने का. ओके, जास्त रास्ता ठेवायचं नाही. हमारा हीरानंदानी नहीं है, हमारा मुंबई की चौल है, तो चौलों में ना ज़्यादा रास्ता नहीं होता है ना. If you are staying in Hiranandani, then it will be lush green gardens here and there. But if you are staying in Mumbai Chauls, you will have only so much rasta left. So our rasta is done. Now I'm not going to throw away this brown color because I need it for shading for the other parts. So what I'm going to do is color this part brown. There are few parts which are colored brown. This part will be brown with no shading at all. This part half will be brown. Now there will be shading here. Alla tutla. I knew every video I have to break one colors. So you all must have counted how many colors I have broken till now, है ना? Many colors I have broken. So I take my buff color and I extend, मतलब ब्राउन को खींच के बाहर लेकर आने का. बाहर आ, हम खेलने की वेट कर रही है भाई. सरूसी करायचं नाही, पटकन बाहेर यायचं. Don't show so much of attitude. Now I've taken my red color, children. Now this part I'm coloring red. Not completely because it is a giraffe full of shading. So this part is red. I pull it with my orange. Okay, I'm pulling it with my orange. Now after pulling it with my orange, I take my yellow color. Now this can be any orange, it can be any yellows. So just pull it and then just smudge it off with your hand. See, it's smudged. Okay, so this part is smudged. Now we are going to use the same combination in any one chakatta or two chakattas, wherever you feel. So we are using this combination of red, orange and yellow, two places here. So this is red, then I do gully kali with orange, gully kali with orange, and then I do my gully kali with yellow. अभी लॉलीपॉप को कुठलं कलर करायचं. Okay, so I take my yellow ochre color and my yellow color, my fluorescent yellow color, not fluorescent, let me take my yellow, lemon yellow color. So I have taken my lemon yellow color and my ochre color for the lollipops. So I took a hop to the shop to buy my favorite lollipop. See the big stick, and it's the red top, and the red top. I'll soon put it in my mouth and finish it. Plop, plop. Now, you all have learned this poem. लर्न नहीं किया तो आज तनु आंटी की ड्राइंग में रन कर लेने का. Should I repeat it? I took a hop to the shop to buy my favorite lollipop. See the big stick and the red top. I'm going to soon put it in my mouth and finish it. Plop, plop. So again, I'm not taking my red color this time, bacha. I'm taking the carmine color. That is a maroon color in Camlin box. I'm putting a little maroon here, just above the eye one. A little maroon here. Both the sides, a little symmetrical one. Okay, now I'm using my pink instead of orange. Usually with red, I use orange. So with carmine color or the maroon color, I'm using my pink. There should always be some difference. Now I'm trying to avoid this side will be green, of course, because there are leaves, and this side is going to be blue. So there will be a balance of colors on both the sides. Okay, children. So we have to take a good balance of colors and go ahead. Now I've taken my white to go down. Yes, but I will not go down completely with white. I will put a little pink this side and a pink this side, and then I'm going to smudge it off with white. Okay, don't bother about whites going on your black markers, because they are all going to get rectified later on. Now we can take our blues and our greens. See, it's a very beautiful combination. You take a blue, you put a little blue here, you put a little blue here, then you take a poppetier green, that is the yellow green, and pull it off down. Okay, you have to pull it off with the gully gully technique. You can use your hand to smudge it if it's not smudged properly. For me it was not smudged, so I'm using my hand to smudge it off. Then again we take our whites to pull it down. So this is one combination which I've used here, and I'll be using somewhere down also. So blue, use the gully gully technique, blue, then you use your poppetier green, that is the yellow green, children. Hey children, you all are asking me to put the slides for the colors. यार, I cannot do that. मैं मुंह से बोलती है ना, दूसरे के तो म्यूजिक चलते, मैं मुंह से बोलती है ना, इसलिए मैं इस तो स्लाइड नहीं डालने का. ठीक है, तुमको कैसे पड़ेगा मेरे को नहीं मालूम, पर मैं तो स्लाइड नहीं डालना. Okay, blue. Because I usually make my videos at night, children, and light में यार वो स्लाइड भी डालने को बोलोगे तो यार कैसा चलेगा रे बच्चा पार्टी. मैं मुंह से बोलती है ना, मैंने ब्लू लिया, ग्रीन लिया, व्हाइट लिया, तो फिर मेरे को कई को ऐसा बड़ा बड़ा काम कार्तिक को देता ही. मेरे को इतना बड़ा बड़ा काम मत दिया करो, मेरे को छोटा छोटा काम दिया करो. Okay, now I'm using my fluorescent yellow color and I'm coloring the mua. No, the nosy, the pout. See, my giraffe is having a nice pout. Pout, pout, pout. Nice one. Now I'm going to use my brown color. No, I'll not use brown. Let me use orange here for the eye. One side will be orange. Okay, now the other side should be blue. It will look pretty. The other side of the eye will be blue. Okay, now I will merge it with white, or you can do one thing, you can merge it with your fluorescent color also. It's going to look superb. So your eye is also colorful. Tanu auntie's eyes are also colorful. Now what we will do is we will take a skin color and we will take a rose pink color. Now it's a very odd combination which I'm using, but still I'm using. Let's see if the combination is good, we will take it forward. If it is not looking good, we will drop the idea and we will smudge it with white. चांगलं दिसते का? दिसते. नाही, for me यार, the blue and the combination of rose pink and blue is nice, better. So blues आणि रोज पिंक करायचं असं गल्ली टेक्निकमध्ये. असं रोज पिंक केल्यावर असं व्हाईट करायचं, असं गल्ली. Actually, I was not supposed to make a video today because it's Ganpati festival and lots of work to be done. But then, दिल तो पागल है, दिल दीवाना है. So, I'm doing it. I'm mad for painting. I'm crazy. So I am using purple because नया ऑलरेडी तो मरून आला, चलेगा. मरून के साथ मैं white की शेडिंग करती है. मेरे को लगा पर्पल आ गया. पर्पल ची शेडिंग करायची आहे मला. इकडे करते. I'll do my cobalt blue here. A very small space for my cobalt blue. Okay, I should give justice to my cobalt blue. So I'm using cobalt blue to two places here. I wanted to use my purple and my fluorescent color. Where's my purple? So I'm using purple here and a purple here, and I smudge it with whiter. I have a new white. I smudge it with whiter. Then I use my fluorescent pink and use my fluorescent pink and use my fluorescent pink. Okay, so all these parts are done. Now what am I going to do is I will use my rose pink combination for the ear. What should I do? Should I take darkest violet? I'm confused. Suggest. Okay, I'll take my Persian blue color instead. I'll take my Persian blue color here. Then I will smudge it with rose pink. And then मैं होशियारी मार रही है, मेरा नया white आया ना, इसीलिए white. Look at my new color. Okay, we are going to use the same combination here. नया कलर आया तो होशियारी मारने का ना बच्चा पार्टी. होशियारी नहीं मारेगा तो क्या मजा आएगा. कोई भी नई चीज़ आएगी थोड़ा तो शो ऑफ करने का ना, है ना. मेरा देखो नया डब्बा. So, मेरा नया color. So I'm using guli technique to do this part. So my giraffe is done. Now what I need to put all these colors off. So many colors. Okay, now I have to keep only my blues and my greens out. So I'll take different greens which I have. Let me take Persian green. This is the Persian green and this is the Popatia green to color one of my leaves, and I will show you how the shading will go. So let us start from here. What we do is we take a Persian green here. Y'all can take your emerald green, any colors of your choice, no problem. But take greens, because we have hardly used any green ears and blues ears. So the combination, it should be a good balance. So this is the green and I have taken my Popatia color and I'm smudging it off. Okay. Now what I do is I take another green. I take the deep green now. Oh, hardly any difference. So let me take my leaf green instead. Yes. Okay, now there will be shading behind the kanu of this. I have already done, you all don't know. And then I use my Popatia green. Okay, now I'll just dodge with the two colors. This combination is not looking that good. It's the abstract giraffe, children, abstract giraffe. So this is the Persian green again. Play with colors, children. The more you start playing with colors, the more you all will experiment with colors. Please do it. Even if you all make mistakes, it's all okay. All okay. You all should do experiments with colors. Different dirty combinations you all should use. And when you all use different dirty combinations, you all will understand. More dirty the combination, more beautiful the drawing. Pum 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 pum. Now I am sitting. Pum 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 pum. Pum 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 pum. So this is the Popatia green color and my leaf green color. थोड़ा सा स्मजिंग में प्रॉब्लम ज़्यादा है तो हम थोड़ा सा उसको उंगली से कर देंगे. हमारा हाथ जगन्नाथ. Now again I'll use, okay, this is the darker shade down inside behind. So I'm coloring it only with Persian, no shading here. Now again I'm taking my leaf green color और घसर पट्टी घसर पट्टी घसर घसर पट्टी पट्टी घसर पट्टी घसर पट्टी घसर घसर पट्टी पट्टी डिंग चिक डिंग चिक डिंग चिक डिंग डिंग चिक डिंग चिक डिंग. Okay, can you see this, children? I have used only the lighter shade this side and I've given all the darker shades on one side. It is just to make this drawing look beautiful. As it is. See, children, there are many children. One child has asked me to make a Shinshan. One child has asked me to make a 3D drawing. One person has asked me to make Sai Baba drawing. I will do every drawing, children. Every drawing, but मेरे को थोड़ा सा टाइम देना भाई. अभी 2 दिन तो मैं कोई वीडियो बनाने नहीं वाली है. गणपति बप्पा मोरिया. Okay, so I'm not going to make any drawings for 2 days. Just excuse me for that. After that, I promise I'll do a simple 3D drawing which every child can opt for. Not complicated at all. Many of my students have done it. I'll do a 3D drawing. I'll try to do a drawing of Sai Baba. मेरे को भगवान के ड्राइंग बनाने में थोड़ा सा डर लगता है. मेरे को ऐसे लगता है अगर मैंने भगवान की ड्राइंग को थोड़ा सा भी ऊपर नीचे बनाया तो सब मेरे को पनिशमेंट मिल गया तो इसलिए ऐसा कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. बट सी वी ऑल आर ह्यूमन्स. वी डू मेक मिस्टेक्स इवन इफ वी आर टीचर्स. ये कुठलं ग्रीन था, पर्शियन ग्रीन था, तो अभी मेरे को लीफ ग्रीन करने कही. ऐसा मिस्टेक हो जाती थोड़ा थोड़ा. The selling point of this drawing is when you do your black borders again, children. Superb it's going to look. So now I'm keeping my greens away and I take my Antwerp blue and I take my light blue from my new dabba. Tin 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 tin. So इसका उद्घाटन मैंने कर दिया था वाइट निकाल के. बट आई एम टेकिंग माई ब्लू. आई एम जस्ट रिमूविंग दिस लाइट ब्लू बिकॉज वो डब्बे में मेरा लाइट ब्लू खलास जालेगी. अच्छा, लिसन, दिस वेव इज गोइंग टू कम इनसाइड लाइक दैट. ओके, एंड इट्स गोइंग टू कम हियर ऑल्सो. You know, when you make the drawing again, you understand what mistakes you have done. So I have taken my Antwerp blue and my light blue and I'm just going to do एक Antwerp, एक light, एक Antwerp, एक light, and that's it. Slowly, steadily win the race. So I'm doing all my Antwerps first. चींटी वाला कलर. जिराफ तेरे का पास अपन चींटी ले रहे ले. Sai Baba drawing video is again going to be a big one. 40 minutes, mostly an hour, because it will take time. I try to do easy ones which every child can make and show off. This was an easy drawing. The only thing is I'm doing it in one go. दुश्मनों का खात्मा करते हुए, एक भी वाइट स्पॉट नहीं छोड़ते हुए तनु आंटी आगे बढ़ रही है, और वैसे ही आपको भी आगे बढ़ते जाना है दुश्मनों का खात्मा करते हुए. हमारे दुश्मन बिल्कुल नहीं बचने चाहिए, और हमारे दुश्मन होते हैं वाइट स्पॉट्स जो हम रख देते हैं हमारे पेज के अंदर. हम ऐसे कमज़ोर बंदे नहीं जो हम दुश्मनों को मार ना सके. हम छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, दांत हमारे कच्चे हैं, फिर भी लड़ने जाएंगे, दुश्मनों का खात्मा करके आएंगे. जय हिंद. तो हम चल पड़े हैं अपनी राह पर दुश्मनों का खात्मा करने के लिए. चप्प चप्प चर खचले, चुप चुप चप्प 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 चप्प. सो मेरा सारा एंट वर्ब देखा मेरे हाथ पे चिटकला. अभी मेरा नया नया कलर. So this is my light blue from my new box. Dim chickadim 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 dim chickadim chickadim dim chickadim dim chickadim. So when you have soft colors, bacha, it goes fast, and when you have tough colors, the harder ones, especially the wax crayons, many parents give their children wax crayons because they don't break fast, but I prefer when a child starts coloring, please give best colors, because you know एक for parents, this is for parents, if success और completion की एक क्या बोलते हैं comes in your blood, मतलब the completion attitude comes in your blood, then you will never leave a drawing incomplete and you will try to finish it. When it is a wow factor, a child will of course do it. And first you have given him dirty colors और अच्छा इसका ही करके बता, and then if they don't do it well, you know, they go in a shell and then they will never come out of it. For small children, please give them small books. Let them get the feeling of completion and happiness of doing a wow drawing. See, you can teach your children very tough drawings, but go step by step. Remember, when you are saying easy, अरे ये drawing easy है, तो next drawing is easy. उसकी next drawing is a little more easy. So you are telling easy, easy, easy from your mouth. डिफिकल्ट ड्राइंग करते हैं, अच्छा ये उससे थोड़ी डिफिकल्ट है, उससे थोड़ी डिफिकल्ट है. सो द वर्ड डिफिकल्ट इज कमिंग आउट ऑफ योर माउथ विच इज अ नेगेटिव वर्ड. सो ऑलवेज ट्राई टू यूज पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स इन योर एटीट्यूड एंड दैट विल गिव. मेरा नया वाला ब्लैक, अभी मैं इसका मेकअप कर रही हूँ. टूटना नहीं है, मेरी इज्जत रखना. आज के दिन तो मत टूटना, प्लीज मत टूटना, हमारी इज्जत रखना, इज्जत. मेरा नया वाला कलर डिंचकडिन. सो यू आर गोना डू इट completely on your drawing. Whatever drawing you had made, you just have to go and do it again with your oil pastel. A thick background is required, and only after you do this, please post it on Facebook page. Sorry, हमेशा वैसे ही बोलती हूँ. Facebook group Canvas and Scissors. This is a group meant for children to showcase their art. There are around 3,000 children in this group. children. They are from all over the world. There are few from South Africa, there is someone from Malaysia, there is someone from USA. So let everybody see your art. It's a group meant for children. So, मेरा नया वाला ब्लैक इतना अच्छा से नहीं लिख रहा है रे. I'm not finding it that soft and smooth. Let me see how it works. It's not working that well, but it's okay. I'll manage. That is why parents say na, old is gold, never to be sold. Okay, it's a bit rough. I'll have to sew it somewhere for it to become soft, or there might be little moisture in the color. Let me see what I can do best for it to make it right better. I'll just check it. See, yes, it's not that good. My purana wala was better. Yes, this is better. Yes. So I have finished my drawing, children, and I'm going to post it, complete it in your Canvas and Scissors as well as on my YouTube channel, where you all follow me and make these drawings. And after you make the drawings, please post it on Canvas and Scissors page. I die to see the drawings, you know. As soon as I complete uploading my video, after an hour I start watching. किसी ने डाला क्या? किसी ने डाला क्या? किसी ने डाला क्या? I love it. So it's done, children. Good night. Bye bye, and see you after 2 days now. Bye bye.